Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to learn English for restaurant work. Start by building a strong foundation with key vocabulary. Focus on words for food, drinks, kitchen equipment, and service actions. Next, practice common phrases for greeting guests, taking orders, and responding to requests. Understanding numbers is also crucial for handling orders, prices, and table numbers. Consistent daily practice, even for 15 minutes, will significantly improve your confidence and communication skills. To truly excel, immerse yourself in practical application. Role-playing with a friend or language partner can simulate real restaurant situations, from taking a complex order to handling a customer complaint. Pay close attention to how native English speakers communicate, focusing on intonation and common expressions. Practice answering typical customer questions like, "What do you recommend?" or "Is this dish spicy?" with confidence and clarity. This active engagement will boost your fluency. Beyond basic language, understanding cultural nuances is vital for excellent service. Learn about common dining etiquette and customer expectations in English-speaking environments. Practice describing daily specials and menu items in an appealing way, highlighting key ingredients or preparation methods. Be ready to give clear directions to restrooms or exits and answer questions about nearby attractions. This deeper understanding will help you connect better with guests and provide a superior experience. Continuous learning is key to long-term success. Integrate language learning apps and online resources into your daily routine for consistent practice. Watching restaurant-themed shows or videos can expose you to natural dialogue and industry-specific terms in a fun way. Remember, every interaction is a chance to learn and grow. Also, for making meal prep easy, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Keep practicing, and you'll master restaurant English.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.